Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got a Galaxy DX-949. It's a repair report. See, Felix was having some problems. Felix in Alabama having some problems with his RFX module. We put a driver transistor in there and having some other audio connection problems in here that we took care of for him. So this is just a demo. We're all down picking up this free counter too, but we haven't stuck anywhere permanent yet.
Audio check.
Okay, on this one, we're going to be looking at 30 watts across the bottom. Turn the power up. Got about 15 there. Over. Turn it down. I just changed it to 10 watts across the top. So that's 4 watts all the way down. 100 watts on this meter. Going to be seeing that right across here. It's going to be coming in here about 60 to 70 watts.
Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio.
And let's charge our upper side mirror.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio.
Alright. Mess a skip out there.